Going over to the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour, we're using our fractals indicator, which obviously you guys have already dialed up. We do loads of videos on this. The fractals indicator is an essential. We're using our fractals indicator to mark out highs, but we don't just want the highs, we want significant highs, okay? These are the highs that are looking like those V shapes, and then we'd put the high there, or an N shape, and we put the high here. So when we're looking at market structure on the 4 hour, try to paint a picture of the trend. Now the minimum requirement for an uptrend would be 3 highs getting raised and 3 lows getting raised. Okay, now the minimum requirement for a downtrend would be the opposite. So 3 highs getting lowered and then 3 lows getting lowered. Okay, so what have we had? We've had, and I'm going to circle this for you guys, lows in red, highs in green. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm not counting these. These aren't significant enough for me. Now let's go on the high side. Okay, let's paint the picture. 1, 2, 3. What's going on? We haven't had the 3 highs getting raised. Okay, let's go back in time a bit. What have we had? 1, 2, 3. Once again, lowered, higher. We can't really see what is going on the 4 hour. The lows are quite obvious, but the highs, not so much. Okay, what we want to do in situations like this is just keep going back until we find what the trend was previously. And as we can see, this would actually be bearish, because the previous trend, okay, in this leg of the move, let's circle these areas. This would be a downtrend. 3 highs getting lowered, 3 lows getting lowered. Whereas when we're going to try switch to an uptrend, what do we see? We see 1, 2, 3, so we've got the lows, but we just don't get the highs. And sometimes this is going to happen, and we're going to need to wait until we have one more significant high before we can actually count this as bullish, even though price action looks bullish. But we need to keep consistent with our definitions. There we go. There's our high. So now we would be bullish on the 4 hour time frame. Now let's go on to the hourly and make sure we're bullish there too. Okay, so we can blank off the chart. I'm not going to circle these ones because the 4 hour ones are already in the way. What have we got on the low side? 1, 2, 3. High side? 1, 2, 3. High side all in check. Let's recheck the daily. Daily is clearly bullish. Sweet. Now we would be taking buys. All of our time frames have to align in order to do this. So if our daily is bearish and then our 4 hour and 1 hour are bullish, that would go into bias misaligned, and we would take the green tag off it. If we're bullish, we'd put it in our trending tab on the right here and slap it with a green tag so we know that we're taking buys, because we are trading multiple different assets and we don't want to get confused, okay? I day trade the simplest way